Hi everyone. Today we continue with second pari of Japuji. हुक्मी होवन आकार हुक्म न कहिया जाए. By divine order, all forms are created, but this order cannot be described. हुक्म से ही आकार की उत्पत्ति हुई. हुक्म को शब्दों में नहीं कहा जा सकता. Life is created by His will. Life breathes and progressed by His will. Here, hukum means cosmic law, प्रकृति का नियम, like gravitational force. कितना भी कोशिश करें, you cannot prove it wrong. हुक्म न कहा जाए means knowledge of supernatural occurs only in silence. It can be experienced within, but cannot expressed in any language. Words are only just symbols. हुक्मी होवन जी हुक्म मिले वड्याई. Divine order has created all the life, and by it all greatness bestowed. हुक्म से ही जीवों की उत्पत्ति हुई, हुक्म से ही बड़ाई मिलती. That means souls come into life by His command, by cosmic law. All glory and greatness are His blessings. उसकी कृपा, प्रभु का प्रसाद. According to Hindu mythology, life is a leela, means a play created by God Himself. You just have to perform your role because ultimate command is in His hands. He is the director. Because He is the creator, as we read in first body, Karta Purakh. हुक्मी उत्तम नीच, हुक्म लिख दुख सुख पाई जय. By divine orders, some are high, some are low. Pain and pleasure are granted by Him. वही छोटे बड़े पैदा करता, हुक्म से ही सुख दुख की प्राप्ति होती. There is no discrimination for Him. Rich or poor, black or white, tiny grass or majestic big pines, rabbit or elephant, all are His creation with same love. He creates high and low, joy and sorrow. Success is His will and failure too. God is equally responsible for both. He only wins and defeats too. In Gita, Lord Krishna too tells the same to Arjun. तू व्यर्थ में बीच में अपने को मत ले, यह युद्ध तो उसी का आयोजन है. His हुक्म. As we read in first pari again, everything is created by His hukam. By Him only. Creator is the creation. इकना हुक्मी बख्शीस, इक हुक्मी सदा भवाई ए. By His orders, some attain salvation or endlessly wander throughout the cycles of life. हुक्म से कोई प्रसाद को उपलब्ध हो जाता तो कोई अवागमन में ही भटकता रहता. By His wish, some are blessed and forgiven, and some wander aimlessly. हुक्म अंदर सबू को बाहर हुक्म न कोई. All are subject to His order. None is beyond His reach. सब कुछ हुक्म के अंदर है, बाहर कुछ भी नहीं. Everything is within His command. Nothing happens beyond His wish, His will. Sunshine, rain, life, death, all comes under His command. You cannot do anything beyond His will. if you ever tried. It's mere struggle. You will never reach anywhere, and ultimate gain is pain and harassment. Again, the basic meaning of this line is surrender, to accept his wish with happy heart. नानक हुक्मे जय बुझे तय हमें कहे न कोई. Nanak says, who understand his order becomes free from self, from ego. जो हुक्म को समझ लेता है वह अहंकार से सदा के लिए मुक्त हो जाता. Who surrenders to supreme, who surrenders to God overcomes his ego. All depression is because of this ego. If you consider or say you remember, he is the creator, Karta Purkh, and you are a medium, then life looks like an act. All tensions appear temporary. Like a bad dream, you wake up. When you accept this supreme will, life becomes weightless and peace comes with which gives you feathers to fly. That's all for today. Thank you.